Hello everyone, welcome to Healthcare Medical Equipments. This is my new video which is about Sondam laser machine, which is right here, and I'm going to tell you about all the features of the machine and I will show you how to use this machine. So firstly, let me give you a short description about this laser. So this convenient low level laser allows you the freedom to administrate laser therapy quickly and easily anywhere. The therapy system has been developed to offer a home use option for patients while maintaining careful monitoring and treatment usage and outcomes. So this is laser therapy, and now let me start this machine first. So the main socket of the machine is behind the machine. You can see this is emergency button. If you lost the key, you can use this button to start this machine. And there's two keys to start this machine. You can see machine has been started. So let me tell you about the accessories. So there's one eye wear to protect your eyes, one man cord, two keys, one user manual, belt to hang it out the probe, and mainly the probe. So this 5 accessories you get with the machine. And now let me show you the machine and its description. So this is timing buttons. You can increase the timing from here and decrease from here. This is power button. This the power is in milliwatt, so there's a 500 milliwatt. And the probe tester, there's a 3 button which is start, wait and stop. There's a 2 mode which is continuous and cycle, and this is on off time in seconds, used for cycle, which means pulse. This is power display area. This is timing display area. This is start, stop and wait display area. This is mode display area, and this is off time and on time display area. So now let me set first the power. Let me show you first the total power of the machine. So there's a 500 milliwatt, and now let me decrease it. Let me set the timing. The on and off time will not work if the mode is on continuous. It's only used for cycle. You can see the mode is on continuous, and I'm pressing the on off button. You can see there's an now let me show you on cycle, or now I'm pressing the on time button. You can see it's working. So you have to make sure that while using this machine you have to click the wait button first, then start button. So I have pressed the wait button. Now let me start this machine. So you can see machine has been started. And if you will directly press start button, the machine won't work. You have to press first the wait button, then start button. Now let me show you the continuous mode. First I have to stop, then select the mode, just continuous, and now wait button, and then start button. So this is how it's work, and this is very easy to use. And first let me tell you, first you have to read the user menu carefully, then use this machine. So for further information, please contact